went to the edge of my normal radius today. I'm in Connecticut, East Hampton, Connecticut, which is about an hour and 45 minutes from my house. There's a waterfall here you can see right from the road. I'll show it to you in a second. But I thought with the nice fall colors, it might be a beautiful, beautiful spot to shoot. Some of the leaves have fallen off the trees, unfortunately, with the windstorm yesterday. I'll be there in a second. I'll show you what it looks like. Well, I got a pretty simple setup here. I didn't have to do any hiking at all. See, my tripod's down here on a ledge, and I got a nice S-curve coming through the scene here. There's some color on the trees. Unfortunately, not a lot left, but I think I can make it work. I'll take some shots, and I'll move on to my next spot. Well, driving around, I found another waterfall. This one's on private property. I can't get too close, but you can see back there, it's a pretty tall one. It's got some pretty colors around it. So my setup here is with a longer lens, so I can zoom in and capture some of the details in the falls with some of the leaves around it as well. I'll take some shots and see how it comes out. It's going to be nice, I think. Well, I went over to Wadsworth Falls, the state park. I think there's two waterfalls. There's the Big Falls and the Little Falls. I'm going to start at the Big Falls. And we'll see how it looks. I think it's only about 1/3 of a mile away. Well, I think I screwed up. May have taken the wrong trail. I'm gonna circle back. I mean, it's called Wadsworth Big Falls. You'd figure I'd be able to find it if it was so big. But having some difficulty. I'll stick to it, I'll find it. Well, I made it to Wadsworth Falls. I found the Big Falls, and it's pretty big. You can see, I don't find it terribly picturesque, but it's nice. So I'll take some shots, I'll see how it comes out. It's a nice area, it's worth its stop.